Yes, I say good morning. So I say, yeah, good morning to all of me YouTube followers. You see me I say, yes, subscribers. Morning. Yes, what me I want to say? Yeah, me I tell you thing about Vegas. Yes, there's a lot of antichrist people out there. That's what me I say, straight. And I believe Vegas was a man of God. I realize Vegas is not a man of God, Rasta. Vegas is an antichrist. Yes. Because see, them try me I watch a video where them throw him out of one church. You see me? Yeah. And him a curse the people them and I ask them where is Jesus? If he was a man of God, he would not taught them where they. I tell no people, there is a lot of people out there pretend use God's name like them is one of us. Them is not one of us. I tell you that them is not one of us. Them is the Antichrist, them is Satan. That's what I say. Yeah. I tell her that. So I believe Vegas was a man of God. With all these years Vegas take time I broke with like when dirt I broke off a land. And it's like enough we never see that. I think him need to sit down and listen to all the way he must say on video. Because he must say some things him not say. That's what I say. And I see him have a video on YouTube with the Bible with fire round the Bible. Like him a burn the Bible. That's what I say. And if a man have burn the Bible, him a burn God, him a burn definitely a burn the word of God and God. So him is not of God. And it's only a fool in his heart, that's God to what the same Bible say. It's only a fool in his heart say there is no God. So people open their eye and look and listen. A lot of these people have the power and the privilege to spread the gospel, but them choose to work for the devil. That's what I say. Them choose to work for the devil. Them a Satan picnic. And when a man have a born God, although a man can't born God, them a born themselves. You see me? Them days now go long upon the earth. Them days are cut short. You see me? Just like how the Father said, him going short the days for elect's sake. And that are going to some of them devilish people here. You see me? Them I try to fly up in a God's face. Them I work with the devil because them can get all kind of something. What does it profit a man to lose his soul, to gain the world and lose his soul? Eh? So the people them throw him out of the church, them have a reason why them throw him out there. You see what I say? Yeah. Because if him did come to my church, I tell you the God truth, I would have flung him out too. Because if he's a man who born the Bible, brother, from you born God's word, you born God himself. It's like you say you're bigger than God and you're not bigger than God. You see what I say? It's just like Beyonce and all these pop stars who serve the devil. Beyonce buy a church. According to what them say, when you buy a church, a God work you have to take it do. Well, she going to take fear church and do the devil work. Again, me I go see lightning and thunderball on that church. God going to destroy that church there. A thunderball and lightning going to fly into that church there. You see me? When you devote and devote yourself and your heart and your soul and your mind to the devil, I don't believe God have nothing to do with the Rasta. And from you start to burn against God's will and in work and try to make people not acknowledge God, you is a part of the devil, a big part you play of the devil. And that is what Vegas is doing under the choir, playing the devil. Him is a hypocrite, what you call it now? Him is a hypocrite, evil forces behind a lot of people. And when I say hypocrite, evil forces, it's like him is a silent killer. You see, but him do it the hypocrite way. You know, a man that style you and this you behind your back, and when you see you, you might thump up your fist and say everything good. Well, Vegas is like that. That's how you see him and move right now. I am not judging Vegas or I throw down nothing upon him, but when I see And the image of him when we see I go on right now, and a lot of video me watch with Vegas. And him is against God. Just like all them throw him out of the church, and you would have see, you would hear him ask them, where is Jesus? Where is Jesus? Jesus is right there, it's at there, right there. So, a lot of these people don't believe in God. They believe in the wealth and the riches and the money. It's just like you have a woman then. Or a woman have a man. Right? She have a man. Yeah, she have a man. And she knows say she have a man and she knows say if she know another man will like her. But she take the man things don't like her, but she not intend to have sex with that man. She just take him things. Well, it's just like that. These people come to take your soul from you and nothing else. They don't have nothing to do with you from them get your soul. I eat that for them. I eat that for you and I eat that for them. You see me? And of them still want to kill you. So it's just like that. If you understand what me I say. Because a lot of women out there, them tell us them bury them man for how much years. Yet still, they might take your things. You see me I say, they might take your things. Me know them tell us they have a man, you know. Yeah, sometimes we the man say we want to jump on the side and be the side man. But when we still were going when you're on the side, sometimes you know sometimes as a side man, you get no sex from the woman. You see what me I say? Yeah. Him not get no sex from the woman. But the man where she devote and love, I get everything. You see what me I say? Games play in many ways. So at that me I try to say Vegas, like some woman out there don't know where them want. Vegas don't know where them want. You see what me I say? Vegas don't know where them want. Trust me. Me not violate, I mean not this. But you can't burn against the God, Almighty God, so brother. You need to sit down and think and check. Because a lot of icons where people look up to, you don't really know. On his fuckery, on his fake. A lot of icons. Sing beautiful song and all kind of these things. But no blood clot real. Sing song like is so love. When is so devilish. Yeah. And Vegas, I believe, is one of them who is so devilish. And a lot of artists in the industry that use God name in their song behind closed door, they might do evil work. You see what I say? If a God do not serve, man, deal with God clean. It's a clean heart and a pure. It's a clean heart you have to have. You see me? A clean hand and a clean heart you have to have. Yeah, when you serve God. And a clean mind. Not even of inner the mind. Because a lot of out there, people this one not take it. People this me left them. Me just go down for me and pray to God. You see what I say? So Vegas, what me I say? And for all of devilish people out there, you need to sit down and consider and see what you do to yourself. Because you don't do to nobody else, you might get smart to sacrifice. But at the end of the day, you go and pay the price. Just like how Vegas, I go pay the price. If you are born against God's word and I born against the Most High. You see what I say? Yeah. I don't like people stay so. People like them don't know if you go silent people. You see what I say? Anybody who serve Satan, we don't have to buy no music from them. No music, we don't have to listen to them music, brother. From you are serve Satan and you are deal with the devil, no music we don't want from you. No. No music. Sometimes we listen to them sitting and support something. And we are realize now say what we are supporting right in the sight of God. Whether that it happened to all of us. We support and we jump up a certain artist. But when you listen to the lyrics where them are dealing with like some evil shit them are preach. We need people, we need faith. Open we eye and see what go on and don't push God one side for them wicked, nasty, devilish people here. We come to drink me and your blood. And then come to sacrifice a picnic and want to sacrifice a mama and a papa to get money. No, learn to satisfy. If you don't know God for yourself, you don't be satisfied. That's what I say, straight. And that me I tell you now. Me now have nothing to say, and Vegas need to go sit down and look in himself. That's what me I say. Yeah man, you need to sit down and look in himself. And I'm gonna know who is God. That's what me I say, straight.